Scott Reiniger, actor. David Emge, actor.
It's a part of the car disconnecting before impact or during impact. The drive shaft, for instance, in the worst case scenario, would drop down and basically impale me.
Well, there's probably 2 guys a year, 2 stunt people that die a year doing stunts similar to this one here. Action! That was the last practice run. We're good to go. That's the last setup. We're ready.
What's really dangerous is all the elements all together. That's what makes this like the craziest thing I've ever done.
When it's all over with, you know, say, what was the big deal?
Okay, everybody, we're going live here.
I love you, buddy. You did. Run back. Okay.
Everybody keep your eyes on the playing field, please.
I'm actually very nervous. I am. I'm actually very, very nervous.
That moment, here we are. I think they're giving the final call. We are on right now.
And there goes the flag.
Oh, man. There he goes. This guy's going. This guy's going. Stand still. We got to chill right here. They look like they're on. They look like they're... Oh, they're a little early. It was bad. That was bad. That was definitely not good. Dude, that did not go right at all. At all. One guy's out of the car. I don't see the other guy. That's the thing. I don't see the other guy. That car is crunched. Try, Scotty. I only saw one guy. I have no clue.
You know where you're at? Where are you at? Yeah. Take your time. Run your bell, dude.
I mean, that went wrong, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. I've never seen anything.
What we expected it to be.
Water. Is drinking water in here?
That car is freaking mangled.
Still doing that.
Dude, you all right? You a little dazed there? Yeah, we're all right.
You gave us a scare there.
It didn't look right.
You know, Scotty's car digging in that bad and, you know, coming with me, you know, that wasn't in the game plan.
I only saw one of you come running out, and it's pretty scary after. I mean, that was dramatic.
I'm glad you're all right.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You know, in the filter video, they did play a game of chicken, but by far, you guys brought the level of chicken 10 notches higher. You still did an excellent job.
We would go over and talk to him, but we don't know what kind of condition he's in, so. Well, that's pretty much the end.